In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Data Loader on Mac. So quick background story, I was trying to install it last week, but failed. And I just couldn't find out why, even though I looked up some YouTube videos, and I just could not find that specific solution for the issue that I was having. And suddenly the solution just popped out today and I tested it out, it worked. So that's why I want to just quickly show how I did that. So first you need to go to your setup page in your Salesforce org and you just search data loader. I just put data. So if you go down to the integration section, you can find the data loader here and you click it. And first you hit the developer guide because there's another piece of software you want to install first alongside with data loader. You go down here. Oh, you have to choose where to install. So it's going to be on Mac. And you go down here, click the link because there is a software called Zulu that you want to install as well. And once this finding ready, okay, it's ready. So I click download Zulu and now it's going to download in the background. So now I go back to my setup and you click download here. And that's where it will direct you to the package where you can download data loader, and you select this one, click this one, and it's ready. So let's go to the folder. Now what you want to do is you want to drag this zip file into your application and you double click it. So this is the very important part because the first time that I wasn't able to install it successfully is because I didn't drag that file in my application folder and install it there. So that's the only thing that I did different this time that worked out for me. So that's why you want to install the package in the application folder, but not the download folder. That's what I initially do, and it didn't work out for me. So now that we have this data loader file, you just double click it and we're going to use the install command. So you just hit command and right click and you hit open, and now the terminal shows up. And you first just directly hit enter and they will ask you, do you want to override previously installed data loader? Because I already installed, so that's why they asked me this question, and I want to say yes, override. And then you hit return. Now terminal is telling me that they're deleting the existing data loader for me, and it's going to just take a few seconds until they finish. And then later, they will ask me a couple questions more. Okay, here. Now they want to know if I want to create a desktop shortcut, which is yes. Enter. Do you want to create a shortcut in application directory? Also yes, so that way I can find it later in my application. And then hit enter. Saving sessions. Copy share history, saving history, completed. All right, process completed. And then that's how you know it has been successfully installed on Mac. And let's check if that's the case. So now I go back to my application folder and then you are seeing the data loader here. If you click it, it should work. But we still haven't installed the Zulu yet. So you want to go back and show in folder, and you can double click this one. And now ask you to double click to install Zulu. So double click here. Continue. Software. You just follow the default setting and just continue. Just hit the continue, and yeah, and this should be very straightforward and easy for Zulu installation. I had no issue with Zulu the first time as well. I just had some issue with data loader. And all right, congratulations. Now it's done. Okay, so I think we are all set, and that's how you download data loader on Mac. Now you can just use it for insert, update, or observe, delete data with data loader. Oh, one thing I also want to mention is I think the lesson learned here is when you feel stuck, just, hit the pause button a little bit, do something else, and majority of the time, the solution you're looking for will pop up sometime. I don't know when, but for me in this case, it's popping out for me like a week later. I guess my point is, even though consciously you're doing something else, but subconsciously your mind is still, or your brain is still trying to find a solution for you behind the scene. So I'll say don't just fall in the trap of frustration and feeling you're not able to find a solution right away. Just do something else and take a walk, take a breath, and later on the solution will comes to you.